Hello everyone, today I want to show you a simple and effective right hand exercise I came up with. I call it skip string groove, and it's all about alternate picking and jumping between the low strings and the high strings. And so we start playing the 6th string. I'm playing a G chord here, and maybe we simply go like this, okay? And then we go to a C9, C added 9th chord, and then we go to an E minor 7th chord, and back to C added 9th. You see, I'm playing the G. I have 2 fingers down, and I don't want to move those 2 fingers for the whole exercise. So this is my G, and then I go down to C added 9th. You just drop down like this, and again I'm not moving my pinky and my ring finger, and then I go to E minor. This is an E minor 7th, so and back to C added 9th. So those are the chords we want to use, and again we can start off just picking the root like this, okay? String and back to the 5th string, okay? And now we want to play after every downstroke we want to play an upstroke on the high strings, something like this. Let me show you. Okay, so I play the root, and then I go to the 1st string, root again, 2nd string, root again, 3rd string, root, and 4th. And I play the same pattern over all of the chords. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, so maybe a little faster. And this is a good exercise for building precision and a solid right hand groove. I have a little variation that you can work on, and it goes like this. Okay, in this case I'm moving my downstrokes from the 6th string and to the 5th, to the 4th, to the 3rd, and for each downstroke I play the high E string, the 1st string. So La 6th, 1st, 5th, 1st, 4th, 1st, and 3rd, and 1st. And then I go to the next chord, and of course I want to start from the root. So for the C chord I will go 5, 4, 3, 2. Minor, and back to C. This is another variation of the same exercise. Let's go a little faster. So again, practice slowly and have fun with this. And if you enjoyed the video, give this video a like or subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have an instructional channel over at TrueFire. It's called Flatpicking Experience, and you will find the link below this video in the description and in the first comment. So if you enjoy these kind of lessons and you want to improve your flat picking, join my Flatpicking Experience channel. Join my Flatpicking Experience channel. Okay, I'll see you there. Bye bye.